Next, keyword only argument. For this, I create a new file called arguments.keyword.only. I'm gonna define a new function called funct. In this case, I'm gonna use asterisk in my parameter name, and then C. Okay, I'm gonna print A and then C. And then let's check some kind of executions. Let's check what's going on here. Okay, I'm gonna execute it. Variable keyword, no variable, not keyword. Yeah, only keyword. As you can see, in these functions, we are collecting the arguments, the number of positional arguments, and also the keyword only one. Okay, this one. And in the second execution, we are not passing any position arguments. That's the reason it's printing an empty tuple. Okay, but in both cases we are printing C, which is a key only argument. I'm gonna try another one. Let's create another function called funct2. Okay, a b equal to, I don't know, 2 C. Then I wanna print them, just A, B, and C. Okay. No, let's add another one called asterisk here. Okay, and now let's print them. Just this on this file. Okay, we are printing here a positional argument AA. Ignore them. Just focus on the second and the third, on the fourth execution, third, and then we are printing 2, which has the default value of 2. Okay, we are not assigning that nothing to be here. That's the reason we got 2 in this execution. In both cases, we are printing Z. Okay, we are ignoring the parameters that are from B to C. In this case, we are not setting nothing there. If we remove this asterisk here, we can execute something like this. For example, let's remove it and execute it again. We'll see that not default argument follows the default argument. Okay. Okay, that's the reason we wanna put this asterisk here in order to avoid and specify that kind of executions. Okay, something in the a trap in Python is mutable defaults. Let's create another file in order to explain in this subject. Okay, I wanna create a new file called argument.default mutable .py. Okay, I wanna create a new function called func. I'm gonna say A, which has an empty list as a default, and B, empty dictionary. Okay, like this. Let's print A. Let's print B. Let's print a separator, something like this. And let's say A open length A. Okay. Append and B length A equal to length A, something like this. I want to execute this function 3 times. equal 3. And let's check what's going on here. Arguments defaults. Okay, in the first execution, we're printing the default values, an empty tuple, empty place, and empty dictionary. Okay, then we are adding the length of A in A in the A list, and we're assigning the length A in the dictionary. Okay, so that's the reason in the second one, in the second execution, we will see that has been added to the A default value a new value which is 0, and then in B is printing the dictionary which has a 1 to 1. The same way, in the third execution, it's printing 0 and 1, and our dictionary has a keyword 1, keyword 2, value 1, value 2. Okay, but something wrong here is that our defined value mustn't change. Is our defined value we expect that this value is the same always every single execution, but as I told you, it's a trap here in Python. Okay, I know that is something real, but it can be a kind of memorization technique. Okay, if you don't want this kind of behavior, you can say call something like this. You can say known, and if A is known, then A equal to an empty list. Okay, and let's execute it again. There is a comma missing here, and you will see that A doesn't change in every execution.